Hey guys, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. This is Hisense TV E7 series 55 inches Hisense TV, Hisense official Euro 2024 partner, and this is QLED quantum dot color Dolby Vision Atmos AI sports mode, compatible with Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube. E7 series, Alexa built-in, share to TV, Vivid Voice, Smart TV, Vivid, Apple AirPlay, Apple Home Play, Hisense TV, picture quality 4K, ultra high definition, 3840 by 2160/60 Hz, refresh rate, Dolby Vision, HDR10, HDR10 Plus decoding, DTS Visual X, connectivity, dual band, can connect it to Wi-Fi 2.4G and 5G, Bluetooth 5.0, AirPlay 2, share to TV, 2 USB 2.0 ports to connect hard drivers and other USB device, 3 plus HDMI 2.0, compliant with eARC, ALLM and VIDAA to connect latest gaming console, smart TV features, VIDAA U7.6 OS, Alexa built-in, voice remote, Apple Home, work with Google Home, supported app freely, Netflix, YouTube, Apple TV, Disney Plus, Paramount Plus, Now TV, Prime Vid, BBC iPlayer, ITVX, all 4, My 5, UKTV, BritBox, Channel 4, BBC News, BBC Sports, Rakuten TV, UEFA TV, Red Bull TV, Chill, Plex, NBA, etc. Design, dual stand, bezel-less design, AI features, AI sports mode, AI picture, AI adaptive depth, energy rating is E. We're going to unbox this TV, check it out and see what is inside. So this is the stand, 2 of those. So this is the information pack in the packaging. You can see what it looks like. So to set this up, you take the stand, this is where the stand goes. So to set it up, you put the stand, this stand goes in here. Then you need to find the screw from the back to tighten it up. So these are the stuff, all the packaging you need. So if you take the screw, so the information pack, power cable, remote control, That's manual. The battery. 2 screws packaging. So one goes to the left and one goes to the right. So we need this one. Remote control. Power cable. This is energy rating E, and the sponsor information here, and users manual, and now, so these are the stuff that is included in the packaging. So what we need to do is we need to take this screw. So open the screw up. So 4 screws inside it. This is wall mount nut. This goes to the back. These 4 screws are for the base nut. So 2 of those goes to the left stand and another 2 goes to the right stand. You need to use screwdriver and tighten it up, tightening the base stand. Then take the second one. Then do the same thing to the right one. So take the other second base stand, put it in to the base. So take the screw, tighten it up. Do the same thing, the second one, tighten it up. So this is how to fix the stand for this TV. Here we go. I'm going to turn the back. Connect the power cable, goes in here. So this is where the power cable goes, and you have USB 2, HDMI, eARC, HDMI 2, HDMI 3, antenna goes in here, optical, digital audio out, and DVB and LAN cable goes in here for you to connect it to the internet. So these are the ports at the back. I like the features. Now those 2 nuts goes in here. They go at the back here. You can see what the back looks like.